Oh, I am sort of cooking again this week, and I got a special treat because I was looking around and I'm trying to figure out like what to do, you know, because I actually had to head out of town for like a gig today, so like I don't really have time to cook, and like what's a simple thing? And then I was thinking more about that, like, you know what people eat, feed their kids, you know, feed their kids. I don't know, fish sticks, right? If you're not eating chicken nuggets, you're probably eating fish sticks at home if you have kids, because kids like things that are frozen and breaded and stuff like that. So I bought well, first I gotta say, I went to the Jewels today and I was like, hey man, where's all the fish sticks? And then I was like, there's hardly any. I only got, there's like 4 varieties of fish sticks, and I'm like, that's pretty disappointing. But I'm buying all 4, and I'm gonna try them out, and we're gonna eat them. We're gonna see what's the best one. So let's look up. First is up this one here, Gordon's. Ask the Gordon Fisherman, right there. Gordon Fisherman fish sticks. It's got a nice color, nice golden tone to them. Look well cooked. That's tasty. It's actually kind of nice. I kind of dig it. Next up, this looks fancy. This is Young's. It's actually a cod fillet, but you know, whatever. I don't care. It's fish and breaded. It's all the same. And I'm using ketchup instead of like tartar sauce or some kind of fancy fish saucy thing, because what are you gonna feed your kids? Ketchup. Mmm. That's actually really good. Wow. I like that. That's tasty. That's surprising. I'm like shocking myself right now. Next up is good old Van de Kamp's fish sticks. These seem skinnier than the Gordon's fish sticks, or less crunchy morsels on the outside. That's okay. It's okay. Next up, I thought this was weird. This is Budweiser beer battered cod. I don't know when you give your kids a Budweiser, but maybe you want to, you know, maybe when your kids started on the taste of cheap bad beer right away when they're youngsters. So you're gonna get this here beer battered one from the Budweisers. That's got a big chunk. It looks really hot. I'll tell you that. I get some steam coming out of this one. Let's see what it goes like. It's okay. Here's the official rankings though. Number 1, by a long shot. I mean, this Young's, if I was at a bar and I ordered fish and chips, and this Young's came out with some fish and chips, I'd be like, yeah, I believe that. Second up is this Budweiser beer battered. Third place, Gordon's Fisherman fish sticks. And in last place, rounding out the end, is the Van de Kamp's. See you next week.